Welcome to Healzy, where science becomes simple and your health becomes stronger. If you enjoy learning about the human body, gut health, and real science, make sure to like and subscribe. There is a universe inside every human being, a vast, invisible world made of trillions of microbes living in the gut. While the human body contains around 30 trillion cells, the microbes inside us number more than 38 trillion. That means we are actually more microbial than human. These microbes do not harm us. They protect us. They help us digest food, strengthen the immune system, regulate hormones, and even influence our mood and mental health. Today, we will explore the science of gut health, discover how these microbes shape our lives, and learn how to keep them healthy. Why are gut microbes so important? How do they affect the brain, immunity, and even emotions? And what can we do to restore the microbiome when things go wrong? In this video, we will answer all of these questions with science-based explanations and simple steps you can apply in your daily life. Let's begin. The story of the human microbiome begins at birth. When a baby is born, its gut is almost sterile. During natural childbirth, the newborn receives its first dose of beneficial bacteria from the mother. These microbes become the foundation of the baby's immune system. Babies born through C-section receive microbes from the skin and environment instead, which can influence early microbiome development. Research shows that breast milk plays a powerful role in building a strong microbiota. Breast milk contains special sugars, HMOs, that only beneficial bacteria can consume. As a child grows, everything they touch, play with, and eat shapes their microbiome: soil, food, pets, even everyday environments. Childhood exposure to nature and variety helps create a diverse and resilient microbiome. This early foundation influences lifelong immunity, metabolism, and disease resistance. Now let's look at what the microbiome actually does for us. First, it plays a key role in digestion. Many types of fiber cannot be digested by human enzymes. Only microbes can break them down. As they do, they produce short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate, propionate, and acetate. These compounds reduce inflammation, protect the gut lining, and improve energy metabolism. Second, the microbiome produces essential vitamins, including vitamin K and several B vitamins. Third, microbes help train and regulate the immune system. Around 70% of the immune cells in the entire body are located in the gut. Microbes communicate with immune cells, teaching them how to behave and how to distinguish healthy from harmful. One of the most fascinating roles of the microbiome is the gut-brain connection. Microbes influence the production of neurochemicals such as serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. This is why gut health affects mood, stress levels, sleep patterns, and even mental clarity. Your gut is not just a digestive organ. It is a control center for the entire body. When the microbiome becomes imbalanced, a condition called dysbiosis, many health issues begin to appear. This imbalance can be caused by eating too much sugar, chronic stress, lack of sleep, excessive antibiotics, alcohol, smoking, or fast food. Dysbiosis has been linked to irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammation, obesity, insulin resistance, depression and anxiety, allergies, autoimmune diseases, neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. One of the most dangerous consequences of dysbiosis is a weakened gut barrier. When the gut lining becomes damaged, toxins and particles leak into the bloodstream, a condition known as leaky gut. This triggers chronic inflammation throughout the body. Many people experience constant fatigue, skin problems, headaches, and digestive discomfort without realizing that the real problem begins in the gut. The good news is that the microbiome can be healed, and the process is easier than most people think. The first step is increasing dietary fiber. Adults need at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day, yet most people get less than half of that. The second step is adding fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha. These foods introduce live, beneficial bacteria that help restore balance. The third step is reducing stress. Studies show that meditation, breathing exercises, and physical movement all support a healthier microbiome. The fourth step is improving sleep. 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep stabilizes microbial rhythms in the gut. And finally, antibiotics should be used only when necessary. While they kill bad bacteria, they also eliminate good ones, sometimes permanently. Small changes can create massive improvements in your gut ecosystem. Gut microbiome research is becoming one of the most advanced fields in modern medicine. Scientists are developing personalized probiotics, gene-edited beneficial bacteria, and microbiome therapies that may one day cure chronic diseases from the inside out. Fecal microbiota transplant, a treatment that transfers healthy microbes from one person to another, is already showing incredible results. The conclusion is simple. Your gut is the command center of your overall health. When your microbiome thrives, your immune system, hormones, mood, and energy also thrive. Take care of your microbes, and they will take care of you for the rest of your life.